Hello, and welcome to the DbSchema channel. Do you want to work with your database more easily? Whether you need to design new schemas, visualize table relationships, or build queries in just a few steps, you're in the right place. Meet DbSchema, a powerful database design and management tool for Databricks. With features like interactive diagrams, Relational Data Explorer, Visual Query Builder, and Git integration, DbSchema is the right choice for managing your database. With DbSchema's intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can easily create new tables, add columns, and define foreign keys, all without writing a single line of code. Working with related tables often requires complex queries, making data editing and exploration slow and difficult. DbSchema's Relational Data Editor offers a user-friendly interface to visually explore, filter, and edit data across related tables without writing SQL and speeding up workflows. Collaborating on database changes can be confusing and lead to errors, especially when team members work on multiple databases. DbSchema simplifies team collaboration with built-in Git integration. DbSchema saves your database design as a DBS file, which can be hosted on any server provider like GitHub for team collaboration. You can then compare the model with the live database, and DbSchema will generate the SQL commands to synchronize them. Database documentation can be hard to understand, but DbSchema simplifies it by generating interactive HTML5 documentation that highlights relationships, tags, and comments. Clicking on a table header takes you directly to its detailed view. Writing SQL queries for joins, nested queries, and aggregations is time-consuming and complex, even for experienced users. DbSchema's Query Builder simplifies query creation with a visual interface that handles joins, nested queries, filters, sorting, and aggregations automatically. Test your queries instantly, save time, and focus on your data, not SQL syntax. Handling database tasks manually often leads to mistakes and wasted time. But with DbSchema's automation scripts, you can easily automate tasks like synchronization, documentation, and schema management using Groovy scripts. This means your work stays efficient, accurate, and consistent across all environments. Manually creating test data can cause errors, making it hard to test your database effectively. DbSchema's data generator automates the process, letting you customize patterns and ranges to quickly produce accurate data for reliable testing. DbSchema has everything you need for database design and management. Ready to make your work easier? Download DbSchema now and start your free trial today.